I got my mail today. I got the package I was expecting in from Amazon. This little part was inside there. Something I ordered. But the package was delivered with this big tear in it. I don't know if it's opened or what the deal is. Maybe I'm on somebody's watch list, maybe. I don't know. But very odd, very strange. And this is what I got in the package. It's a propane adapter that lets you attach a 1 pound bottle to a 25 or a 20 pound bottle, 25 pound bottle, whatever it is, bottle of propane. So you can refill the green 1 pound tanks. So that should come in pretty handy. I won't have to throw away the bottles once they're empty. I can refill them.